Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I think we have another mystery box. I mean, it says right here, mystery box, fragile, handle with care. It was sent my way in my P.O Box. I initially wasn't gonna have a video out today because today is my birthday, but I actually am pre-filming this. So when you guys see this, it will actually be my birthday. But I want to just still post a video for you guys, still show up for you guys, and we have a week full of fun videos. So why not go ahead and just dive on into this and see what we got. Alrighty guys, so I know that one of the first questions I'm going to get asked is what's on my eyes. I am wearing the Colourpop Sunflower collection. I'll list everything down below when I'm wearing my face down in the description box so you guys can see that. But lo and behold, I was surprised the other day when I went to my mailbox and I saw a mystery box sitting here. At least I think it's a mystery box because someone actually wrote mystery box on here. So I have no idea where this is from, who this is from. The return label just says Light and Love Handcrafted. So, I mean, I figured why not just still have a video out for you guys. When you guys see this, I will be at Star Wars. I'm so excited because I finally get to go check out Hollywood Studios. As cast members, we have been blocked out since Star Wars opened up, but I was able to get my hands on some comp tickets, so I went to go celebrate my birthday there. And hopefully by the time you guys are watching this, I will have gone live. So I'm scheduled to go live right now in a couple of hours. I'm super nervous about it because I haven't gone live since April. It's always so nerve-wracking to me. I don't know why. I just get very anxious and very like, I hope people like me. Like, it's just such a weird thing. But yeah, I still wanted to have a video out for you guys. That way I'll resume my normal schedule on Tuesday where I post every day or every other day. I didn't want to miss anything for you guys. So I've been rambling on enough. Let's go ahead and dive on into this. I'm genuinely really curious. Typically, if I'm getting like a mystery box, a subscriber usually reaches out. It's like, hey, I just want to let you know I sent you a mystery box. I really hope you like it. That way I know like who to thank and like where it's coming from. This time, I genuinely have no clue. So this will be exciting. Okay, so everything is wrapped. All right, so the first thing I see is, this is from Light and Love Handcrafted. I don't know who they are, but thank you so much for sending me a mystery box. Okay, so what do we have here? And it's all wrapped. Do we have some candles? Oh my God, so this is a sugar cookie 8-ounce soy candle. Ooh, oh my God, this smells divine. Oh my God, I just want to eat this so bad. I told Corey, I said, listen, the only thing that I want for my birthday is I just want a little like cupcakes with some candles and for my dogs to wear little birthday hats. And because Kaya knows how to speak on command, and I want like them to sing happy birthday and have her just bark, you know, like woof, 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 like during the happy birthday part. That's literally all I want. So I know that he got me some cupcakes because he tried to hide them into the fridge. Like I can't see what they are, but I'm trying to be surprised. But I have been dying to have some sugar, and now I got this sugar cookie candle. Oh, damn, that smells so good, and it's perfect in time for the Christmas season that is rolling up. I'm so excited for Christmas this year. You guys have no idea. Okay, next there is this shirt that is called, oh, so cute, Castle Dracula 1977. Oh my God, what a cute ass shirt. I love Halloween, if you guys can't tell. Clearly, I do love some Halloween. This is an adorable shirt. I love it. I cannot wait to wear this. In fact, in my next Halloween video, I will be sure to wear this. Well, not my makeup costume videos because I have 2 makeup costume videos I want to have out this week. So I can't wear it in that, but I will definitely be wearing this week because this is so cute. Oh my gosh. Okay. Next, there is another wrapped item, and this is caramelized pecans. Ooh. Oh my. Bitch, that don't smell so good. Oh my God. Light and Love Handcrafted. I don't know who you are, but thank you so much. Happy early birthday. Oh, this is so cool. Okay. Wait, there is some, oh, there's a letter. I should probably have read this. There's a note, and I'll read that at the end because I can see a little bit of spoilers. I saw like Cash or Dracula, so I want to read that at the end. We could be surprised together. Next, I see some little envelopes. Oh my god, this is so cool! This is a $1 gaming token from Atlantic City. Okay, I'm gonna be straight up real with you guys. For the longest time, I thought that when people talk about gambling in Atlantic City, I was like, yeah, Atlanta, Georgia. Like, I think they have like casinos there. We only have one here, it's in Tampa. But I was like, for sure, that's where you go gambling at. Until I saw Jersey Shore and realized that's actually in Jersey. I was like, oh, I did not know that. So that is so freaking cute. Wow, this is like a legit, like a real like quarter. Like, that is insane. Wow. Oh my god, that is cool. Okay, cool. Ooh. We have a Showboat Margarita $1 coin right here. Oh my god. You were making some money. And then we also have a $1 Atlantic City coin as well. This is from Sands. This is so cool. Oh my god. It's like that I have a private coin collection. Oh my gosh. Okay. So there's a thing called the Original Fudge Kitchen. I love little brochures. Oh my gosh. Ooh. It's wrapped up. Ah. The Original Fudge Kitchen hand-dipped chocolates. Oh my god. Okay, so before I dive into this, let's read the letter. Dear Allie, I hope everything is well. I just want to let you know how much I love your channel. You have an amazing personality and you're super sweet. Enclosed, I have sent you some New Jersey treats, specific South Jersey. The Original Fudge Kitchen and saltwater taffy is a treat I used to get as a kid in Wildwood, New Jersey. The Castle Dracula t-shirt was a walk-through dark ride on Wildwood's Boardwalk. It was built in 1977 and burned down in 2002 and was never rebuilt. Wow. I also included some vintage Atlantic City casino chips from South Sands Hotel and Casino, Showboat Margarita Addiction, and Caesar's $1981 casino token. I've also enclosed 2 soy hand-poured candles and caramelized pralines and sugar cookie from my own candle company. Keep up the amazing work, and may you love light and creatively shine every day. Love from Jersey Girl J. Jersey Girl J! Oh my god! Thank you so much. I'll make sure that I link her company down below so you guys can go check this out. You guys seriously need to smell these candles. It is an 8-ounce soy dipped candle. When I tell you that this candle smells truly incredible, caramelized pralines, it smells like fall bottled up into one candle. Oh my god, it smells amazing. And the design on it is just so cute. The design is just so elegant, so cute. I really love it. And then to get the sugar cookie, oh my god, this is perfect for Christmas that's coming up. That is so cool. So I'll make sure I'll link them down below so you guys can check it out yourself. I know I'm going to because I want to see what other scents there are. Okay, so she sent this fine candies. This thing is freaking massive. It is extremely heavy. Corey is like, well, first off, Corey is just so grateful for you guys to begin with, but he's like, oh my god, I get to live vicariously through you. I get to have some snacks too. Like, he is like in pure heaven when you guys send goodies. You have no idea how much he loves it, how much I love it, and seriously, it means so much to me. I get to try stuff from different states and different countries. Oh my gosh, so cool. Okay. So, wow, okay, like legit, everything's like actual, like wrapped up in here. Oh my god, it's legit fudge. Wow, okay. An actual fudge. That is so good. Oh my gosh. Wow. Wow. I see there's different fudges in here. So you kind of made this look like a peanut butter one. There's like another chocolate one. Peanut butter and chocolate. This is delicious. Delicious. And along with that is so many Laffy Taffers. Shake that Laffy Taffy. Oh, the Laffy Taffy. Oh. Okay. So there's one that's called Cotton Candy. I gotta chew it. Hold on. Laffy Taffies are so good. They're a little bit of a chewer, but they're so good. Wow. Thank you so much Jersey Girl J. Like seriously, these are so cool. I already know that Corey and I are not gonna let these fudges last very long because they are so freaking good. I always view fudge like a brownie, like a soft brownie. I never really know what fudge truly is. My grandmother used to love making fudge, used to have fudge way back in the day, so I haven't really enjoyed fudge in such a long time. So to have this right here, they're so freaking good. You have no idea how much this means to me. So thank you seriously so much. I love doing these types of videos. You guys, like I said, you guys never ever have to send me anything. That is my thing to do for you guys. I love sending you guys so much stuff because you guys literally mean the world to me. But when you guys take the time out of your day to create a mystery box for me, you have no idea how much it truly means to me. And I cannot thank you guys enough, especially you Jersey Girl J. I feel like I'm gonna get tongue twisted on that name, but seriously, thank you so much. The candy is delicious. Your candles smell amazing. I love the little coins in here. That is so freaking cool. I'm gonna add that to my coin collection. And then to get this shirt, oh, you best believe I'll be wearing this shirt later on because that is such a cute shirt. And especially since knowing that that ride doesn't even exist anymore. It's burned down in 2002. Like how freaking insane. So seriously, thank you so much. I know this is kind of like a shorter video, but I didn't want to skip out on putting out content for you guys. I wanted to still be here and say hi, and I love you guys, and I hope you guys had a wonderful weekend. And make sure you guys go check out Light and Love handcrafted candles. I'll make sure I'll link them down below for you guys. And seriously, once again, Jersey Girl J, thank you so much. I love it. I cannot wait to go share these goodies with Corey. They're not gonna last very long, and you're amazing. So yeah, guys, that is it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys give this video a cheeky thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys have not already, because I do post every day, every other day, just depending. You guys head over to my other channel, R for Life, so you guys can see my cool, wonderful adventures and amazing fiance, Corey. And as always, guys, I just want to thank you guys for all your love and support. I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Bye! To my other channel with my amazing fiance Corey, because we do post all of our wonderful adventures here in caramelized. You best believe I've learned. Alrighty, guys. So I will have everything. Well, that's embarrassing. I talked. How long have I had that chocolate fudge sitting in my tooth? That is embarrassing, but you know what? It wouldn't be my channel if I didn't have something like that. I've had boogers, I've farted, I've belched. You know, it's just the joys of turning 31. You know, it's just your body can't control it anymore.